for. Now, you don't have to be all chefy. You don't have to do a roast dinner of them. You know, just midweek meals. I'll be honest, I didn't prep any of this. I've not made fish and chips from scratch. This is all straight out of a bag, but I'll show you. This is from the freezer.
Easy.
Deliciously crispy fish, golden, cooked to perfection, and then these chips are
crispy.
Listen to them.
Yeah.
They are unbelievable, and you can see all the natural oils in them. There's no added or additional oil in here, completely non-stick again. Pop it in the dishwasher when it's done, but you can see there, those chips, Eilidh, are like
I'm going to need to take them over to the ladies. Do you know what, as well?
And put them out with some ketchup, because they are, like, squeeze them over your fish. Yeah, let's take this straight over.
Get it back and try it on that 60 days. Oh, go on there. Keep one back for me as well.
A couple first.
Yeah, definitely. Keep them back. I'll come back to
those. Keep that for me and you.
Would you? Do you know, right, ladies, are you carrying on me?
You stay there. I'll carry over.
Look at this.
I'll do the hard work. I'll come back. I'll come back and get the next thing out in a minute. Hang on.
I thought it was never going to happen, to be honest.
Jill, do you have an air fryer?
Yes,
at home?
I do.
So what would be the sort of things that you would cook in your air fryer on a sort of week-to-week basis, during the week?
Most of the time, I cook... There's only me and my husband at home, but I'll do fish. I do quite a lot of fish, quite a lot of chicken, quite a lot... I don't do a lot of heating up, but I do, like, a salmon or, you know... I have done fish and chips in it. I think chips are the best in the air fryer. They are delicious. And I have been known to come home late. Sometimes we've come home late and come back with friends, and I've cooked a load of chips. Because, you know, when you get the munches... And you can do it really, really quickly.
Nothing works better in an air fryer than potatoes.
Yes.
They're brilliant, aren't they?
Whether you've got your own dish and it fits inside and you do dauphinoise, or whether you're doing croquettes, or whether you're doing, you know, chips, wedges, it doesn't matter. Just potatoes in general are just amazing in an air fryer.
I'll tell you, we need a close-up of this chip. So I don't think you realise just how brilliant air fryers are.
And how fluffy that is inside.
Let's get a nice close-up of that if we can, because this is absolutely... Look at this. This is golden and like glass. Look at the snap on that.
Oh,
and then it is fluffy and light and delicious inside. Honestly, so good.
Do you know what I use
crispy.
our air fryer for a lot? Is loads of fish for the kids. So I'll do little salmon dishes with a bit of creme fraiche and a little bit of herbs in it. Bung it in, it's ready in like 10, 12 minutes. Or I'll do tons of vegetables in there. It's really, really quick. I absolutely love it. Sausages, bacon, they look gorgeous.
All the party food. I mean, I've done these.
Oh, nachos.
It's like an Instagram sensation at the moment. Nachos. I've just got some chili con carne in here that I'd left over. A stack of nachos, some chili, some coriander over the top like this. I mean, these are super, super delicious, super spicy. You know, big game nights, getting the lads round, having the ladies come over, whatever. You can do whole big, you know, massive literage on this.
Oh, my
just
word.
under 6 litres. Sour cream, look at that. Massive bowl of nachos done straight in the air fryer. That's without the wrap.
That is like you have friends over Friday night, Saturday night, you do that, you know, you have a little drink of whatever you want, maybe you're watching a film, you're playing a game, whichever. That is excellent. Dom, you need to come in and get involved and have a few nachos there as well. Dom's our floor manager. Everyone's coming. Now, do you know what? We had a lovely message in saying that from Yvonne. Now, Yvonne's quick meal is chicken breast, grated mozzarella and bacon. Yvonne, that's what I do as well, and I do it in the air fryer. Or I'll open up a chicken breast and put in some pesto and cream cheese and then wrap it in bacon as well. That is just such a quick go-to one. That's so good. Really nice midweek. Do you use air fryer, Gail?
All the time.
Do you?
Yeah, literally all the time. Chicken, and just there's so much that you can do in it, and it's brilliant for reheating stuff as well, because it has taken over the world, basically, because it's an instant oven.
Yeah,
so
it is.
For all, you know how we used to use the microwave to heat this stuff up? But it always changes the structure of the food, and it's horrible and doesn't make it crispy. But for things like your croissant in the morning and things like that, it's absolutely brilliant. Or just warming up bread. You know, if you want, like, a warm roll or something like that, because it's seconds.
Yeah,
you know, it really is. Or a minute, you know, in the air fryer. You'd never normally do that, would you? You wouldn't put it in the microwave because it goes soggy and chewy.
Exactly.
And to put it in your oven would take 15 minutes to heat the oven up. So that's why they're just so useful.
You get it back and you try it yourself. I think that's it now. Cook's Essentials, you would expect to pay, you know, £79 odd for the first payment for one air fryer normally. You know, you'd expect to have that as one easy pay. But this case, it is your first easy pay. It's just £26.64 to get it back. And now we've got some accessories that can go with it as well. We've got a cake tin and a pizza tin as well.
Yeah, nice deep
work
tin.
with the Cook's Essentials.
Again, non-stick, dishwasher safe. You're getting the two, so you're getting the shallow pan and the deep baking tin as well. You can see that turns straight out, completely non-stick. dishwasher safe, or wipe it out, super easy. And this goes in the air fryer. You know, I'm sure you've got roasting tins and baking tins at home. They don't fit in the air fryer. They were designed for your oven, but now they're coming out with some brilliant accessories for your air fryer. You know, perfect for little sort of mini £1 pizzas as well. You can use them as a shallow baking tin, brownies, flapjacks, whatever it is. But, you know, as we're moving towards air fryer technology, if you've invested one previously or got one tonight, you know, having the right equipment to do the job in the air fryer is worth investing in these as well. And they're great quality, non-stick, dishwasher safe. And as you saw with that, you know, absolutely slides out. You know, my baking tins at home don't do that most of the time.
Well, I know, exactly. And do you know what? These are the most affordable piece in the hour, £12.60. And then you've got those easy pays on there as well, which make it the first easy bit. £4.20. Get them back, try them. We've had Howard messaging in as well. Hi, I was inspired by Eilidh, me, to revisit the delights of omelette. See that? So Howard kicked off tonight with a spicy Spanish omelette. Good on you, Howard. Do you know what? I'm so pleased that you were inspired by the Instagram Live, which I tend to do on the Sunday before the show, around about 8 o'clock, which is from my own home. So all welcome. Come and join me next Sunday. I'll put